While the world is getting back to normalcy after COVID-19 pandemic, there are number of countries welcome you to travel quarantine free, and some of them doesn't even require PCR test. I have filtered some of these amazing countries where you can travel and explore some beautiful tourist destinations. We'll find more on this. Stay with me. Hello friends, my name is Ali and welcome to my channel Finding Places and More. In today's video, I have listed few countries who are welcoming travelers from all over the world. I wish and pray this list grow big. More countries join this gradually, and soon the whole world will be open for everyone. Let's watch the video. Thank you. Armenia. Armenia is one of the most ancient countries in the world, full of rich history and beautiful landscapes. No quarantine if you travel with PCR negative test within 72 hours before departure, and no symptoms of COVID-19. Ukraine. Ukraine is the largest country in Eastern Europe, blessed with amazing tourist attractions like glorious cathedrals, Orthodox churches, ancient castles, lush forested hills, Black Sea beaches and many more. No quarantine if you travel with PCR negative test within 72 hours before departure, and no symptoms of COVID-19. Serbia. Serbia has many natural features that make it beautiful. From mountains to rivers, this country has some of it all. No quarantine if you travel with PCR negative test within 48 hours before departure, and no symptoms of COVID-19. Macedonia. Macedonia is a spectacular landlocked country and one of the most underestimated destinations that has an abundance of mountains, lakes, national parks and ancient towns with Ottoman and European architecture. No quarantine and no mandate PCR test required to travel there. Make sure you have no symptoms of COVID-19. Tanzania. Tanzania is an East African country known for its vast wilderness areas, which include Serengeti National Park, populated by the Big Five, and Kilimanjaro National Park, home to Africa's highest mountain, the tropical island of Zanzibar, and many more. No quarantine and no mandate PCR test required to travel there. Make sure you have no symptoms of COVID-19. There will be medical screening upon arrival, and whoever tested positive will be quarantined. I would suggest get your PCR test done before travel just to be safe. Kenya. Kenya is a country in East Africa famed for its scenic landscapes and vast wildlife preserves such as Masai Mara National Park. No quarantine if you travel with PCR negative test within 96 hours before departure, and no symptoms of COVID-19. Egypt. Egypt is famous for its ancient civilization and some of the world's most famous monuments, including the Giza pyramids, the Great Sphinx, and the ancient temples of Luxor dating back thousands of years. No quarantine if you travel with PCR negative test within 72 hours before departure, and no symptoms of COVID-19. Belize. Belize is one of the most popular ecotourism destinations in Central America. Lush tropical rainforests, pristine beaches, and ancient Maya cities are just few of the many natural attractions. No quarantine if you travel with PCR negative test within 72 hours, or antigen test within 48 hours before departure, or if you have completed final dose of vaccination 2 weeks before departure and no COVID-19 symptoms. Bahamas. There are almost 700 islands in Bahamas, and these are the tropical hotspot and rank among the best vacation destinations in the world for their beauty. No quarantine if you travel with PCR negative test within 5 days before departure and no symptoms of COVID-19. All passengers are subject to rapid antigen test on arrival and 5th day. Those who are test positive will be quarantined. Nicaragua. Nicaragua is the largest and one of the most beautiful countries in Central America. The country is most sparsely populated and boasts with volcanoes, pristine lakes, rivers, rainforests, and ancient colonial towns. No quarantine if you travel with PCR negative test within 72 hours before departure and no symptoms of COVID-19. Ecuador. Ecuador is an incredibly beautiful country with nearly every type of dramatic landscape packed into its small area. There are world-famous beaches on the coast, which is always warm. No quarantine if you travel with PCR negative test within 72 hours before departure or COVID-19 recovery certificate 14 days before departure, or you have completed final dose of vaccination 2 weeks before departure and no symptoms of COVID-19. Dominican Republic. The Dominican Republic is one of the most picturesque islands in the Caribbean, offers sun, sea and sand in abundance. It is famous for endless palm-lined beaches, lush mountains, including the highest peak in the Caribbean, waterfalls and many more to explore. No quarantine if you travel with PCR negative test within 72 hours before departure and no symptoms of COVID-19. All passengers are subject to antigen test on arrival. Those who test positive will only be quarantined. Mexico. Mexico has fabulous beaches, ancient ruins, alluring culture, cities with colonial architecture, and of course, mouth-watering Mexican cuisine. No quarantine and no mandate PCR test required to travel there. Make sure you have no symptoms of COVID-19. There may be medical screening upon arrival and whoever tested positive will be quarantined. I would suggest get your PCR test done before travel just to be safe. Beside PCR test, recovery certificate or vaccination, every country has its own set of travel restrictions. Mostly, traveler needs to fill up different types of form. Like while traveling to India, you need to update self-declaration form, or to France, it is sworn statement, or to Turkey, it is traveler entry form. All these forms are available online with respective country's website and must be updated before departure. If you need entry restrictions in details for any of this country or any other country, I do not suggest you to Google it because we get so many results and some of them are not up to date. So either we get confused or we get some wrong information. Instead, I would suggest you to contact a reliable travel agent, or if you want, you can contact me as well. Last but not the least, wherever you are traveling to, please make sure you have a travel insurance which covers COVID-19 treatment. It doesn't cost much. Always wear mask. Please maintain social distance and you have a safe travel again. Thank you.